Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Fetch.ai token using Coinbase. This coin just came out on Coinbase, so I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what to do. If you guys like videos like this, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, let's get started right here. So all we're going to do is go ahead over to the Coinbase Exchange, and then we're just going to open up the application. So let's go ahead here and open up Coinbase. And once you're in Coinbase here, you just want to go down to the bottom of your screen where you see this little blue circle and the two adjacent arrows. You want to click on that button. And then right here, it's going to ask us if we want to buy crypto with cash, and we're going to click on the first one there, buy crypto with cash. Once that's done here, it's going to ask us to select an asset, so we can just search for the token. Just type in FET, then you'll see the token right here, so just go ahead and click on it. Now, once we're in here for the first time, you're going to see a couple of different things. One option is going to be one-time purchase. So if you click on that, you'll see that there's a couple of different options if you want to repeat this purchase. So if you just want to do a one-time purchase, you leave it as it is. But if you want to do weekly, monthly, or bi-monthly purchases, you can do that as well. If you're okay with the one-time purchase, though, you can just leave it. And then right below that, you will see an option to charge a card. Now, if you do not have a payment method on here already, you're going to want to click on this button. And then right here, you'll be able to add a payment method. I already have one, so I'm good to go. But yeah, all you have to do is click on add a payment method here, and then it'll show you right here, credit or debit card, so you can go ahead and put in your card. Once that's done, though, you just have to put in the amount of money that you want to spend on this token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do $100. I could go type in $100, just like this. And then it'll tell us right here that we can preview buy. You can just go ahead and click on preview buy or buy when you're done. And then basically it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction here. So your purchase fee, your Coinbase fee, and things like that. Now, if you're comfortable with what you see here, you can go ahead and click on buy now at the bottom. Once you click on buy now, you can just exit out of here and go back to the main screen. And then you can go ahead to your coins under assets here, and it'll show up here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Fetch.ai token on Coinbase. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.